Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform T around the world. In the beginning, start juggling with your player. Now perform around the world. And after the around the world, flick the R analog at the direction you are facing. If you want to keep juggling after, press R1 repeatedly. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.